Yeah, and she's got that little Minnie Mouse outfit on. I got her. Minnie Mouse outfit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's small though. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it seems like, I don't know, overnight she grew. Mm-hmm. Well, because, I told Mom, I said, I feel bad because everybody bought all green. It was my fault. I didn't tell anybody but Tammy. I did not know because I wasn't buying her new clothes. And it was like all of a sudden I bought her that new dress for her picture and it was a 3 and it was too small. I didn't even know. I didn't know she was going to need a 4. You know what I mean? And that's why I told everyone, that's why I told Mom, I said, no, don't worry about it. I'll exchange it. You already went and bought it. I'll exchange it. I didn't know. But it's like overnight, this kid can't fit in a 3 anymore. I'm videotaping her now for a minute and 23 seconds and she's still writing it. You gotta see this video, Tammy. This is crazy. She is sitting her butt on it and moving her feet with it. Yes! Do you hear that? She's gonna bust it. And he's falling off because you can't get off fit on it and move.